Hello, I'm excited to show you a simple way to put the put-call ratio into your Google Sheet. By the end of this, you will have a market insights at your fingertips. Just to recap, the put-call ratio shows if more people are buying calls or selling puts options. If the ratio is high, it might mean people are getting a bit worried, bearish, and if it's low, they might be feeling more confident, bullish. It's a way to get a feeling how the market is positioned. We're using for the put-call ratio indicator the CBOE website, which lists us the market volume summary and also the market statistics. And here we have all the calls and puts, also the total and also the put-call ratio. We're gonna use this one for our Google Sheet analysis. As you can see, I put already here the final result. You can do it on your own by using the function import HTML. Then we have to use the URL where we scrap the data, which is this one, the cbo.com options market statistics. And the next step is we have to define that we wanna get the table from this website and the number 3. That basically gives us all the information from this table. Now, if you want to have it like this, so you have it by time, but you can also make it easier for yourself. For example, like in a market overview or market summary that you just want to have one number, then you can apply a function called index, which basically allows you to specify which cell you want to have. For example, here we have to specify the row, which is 2, and for example we want to put call ratio, that's the column number 1, 2, 3, 4, should be 5. Let's see if it's right. Yeah, so as you can see, this is a way how you can get the total put call ratio from the CBO website in near real time. If you have any questions to this or any ideas, just let me know, write me a comment, and please have a look on my next video as well. Thank you very much, and bye bye.